In this video, we will go through how to sell unmanaged VPS servers through WHMCS using the 20i module. Firstly, you will need to configure the unmanaged VPS servers you are looking to sell within my 20i. This can be found by navigating to Manage Reseller in the side navigation bar, locating the API and WHMCS section, and selecting WHMCS Unmanaged VPS. This will take you to a menu where you can see all of the customizable options that you can edit when it comes to selling our unmanaged VPS. This includes the server specifications, which can be toggled on or off, the pricing of each server individually, or the ability to apply markup pricing across all servers. You can also set per region pricing for US-based servers. Furthermore, this page will allow you to go through and enable or disable certain operating system options. It will also allow you to select which purchasable VPS add-ons are available and their prices. Once you are finished with the configurable options, you can click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. To get started importing these into your WHMCS, please log in to your WHMCS admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to System Settings by clicking on the spanner icon in the top right. From here, scroll down to the Add-on Modules option. From this menu, you should see the additional modules from different services and providers. You should see our 20i Unmanaged VPS Support module at the bottom of the page. From here, you can configure the WHMCS admin user, the stack user custom fields, and the access control for the module. Once happy with the configuration, click Save. From here, you will need to sync the unmanaged VPS options you configured in My 20i. This can be found under the Add-ins section in the navigation bar and then 20i Unmanaged VPS Support. This will take you to a page where you can click Sync Unmanaged VPS Products with My 20i. This may take a moment, but it will convert your My 20i Unmanaged VPS settings into product entries. Once synced, you can click the option to view the newly imported products now. This will take you to the Products and Services section, which can usually be found within the system settings. Here you will be able to see the imported unmanaged server products ready for your customers to purchase. For more information, check out the full documentation at docs.20i.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.